Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, look, I'm going to show you the art of sub niching. I'm going to show you how to sub niche, how to get those amazing uh, passive income through sub niching. Just want to show you like exactly how to do it, and how people are making actually that money. So look, as usual with EverBee, I'm going to use the key. I want to use their key tools with this, right? So check out the link for free access. But listen to this. Let's say I'm looking at Highland cows, yeah? Let me just look at Highland cows, just in general. 1 second. Right, let's just say I'm looking at Highland cows, okay? I'm just going to look at a particular type, right? From Highland cows, literally, you're able to produce thousands of different ideas and designs just from one item. And I'm going to show you just a few little tips, a few ideas about this. So even if you're just homing in on one thing. So if I did Highland cow, obviously I'm way too wide. Like there's all kinds of Highland cow things, from jewelry to tumbler wraps to wall art. Now, but I'm going to just stick to I'm going to go into a niche, right? I'm just going to go into clip arts, for example, right? Obviously go into that. Even within clip arts, there are thousands of different things you could do, okay? And I'll explain it now. So I want to touch on a few bits. But to actually find those actual gems, it's actually really easy to do, right? And I'm going to show you just some tips right now how to do it. So let's say you go to EverBee, right? And you go to keyword research. Just follow these steps, please, guys. Check this out. So if I just typed in Highland cow, look, you got a search of 1,190, right? Try and base this around a niche that you're working around as well. So follow my steps and try and base it around a niche that you are working on as well, right? So check this out. Let's say put your keyword in, right, in the keyword research. And then it's going to give you how many search volume it has per month, and it's going to give you the competition. Now, obviously, this is the keyword score. The higher, the better. Obviously, 10 is not great. I mean, it has some kind of keyword score. It's not 0, but it's not great. I mean, it's saying that basically, 1,190 people search for it, and it's got this much competition. So it's got a lot of competition. And your whole job is to reduce this, right? So you need to sub-niche further, right? And it could be various ways. So I might say, let me add a word, right? I might say, make a longer tail keyword. I might say baby Highland cow, right? And then click search. Now, in this case, what you'll see is, or you should see, it's improved, right? It's improved. So it's got a bigger, higher keyword score. 586 people actually search for baby Highland cow. And 17,000, there's 17,000 competition, okay? Now, we can go further, right? We can go further and niche down further and find those nuggets, right? And if I go to filter, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at base it on keyword score, right? So I'm going to go on a basis of a keyword score of minimum of 50, and I'm going to go a keyword score maximum of 1,000, right? Now, the reason why I'm not going beyond 1,000 is because sometimes I get these gibberish search terms which I don't really want because they don't really make sense, but yet they have high keyword scores, right? Because the competition is obviously low when you got gibberish, if you like, search terms. Now, so what I do is I then look into particular bits into this, right? So what I might do is I start looking at search terms that people are typing in that have good keyword scores between 50 and 1,000. Now, I'll give you an example. Look, Scottish Highland cows has a keyword score is 50. 528 people type that in, and 9,780. And already I kind of got a bit of an idea with that one. I could almost like give the Highland cow in a design, maybe a Scottish kind of a Scottish scarf or something, and a tartan scarf. So what you do is this actually gives you loads of ideas as you go through between good keyword scores, right? So as you go down, there will be things that will reveal themselves, I say, right? I mean, it shows you, look, a baby cow, on a blanket is got high keyword scores. It gives you actually product ideas the more you actually look down on different keywords that people search for. It's just a fantastic insight. You got then Highland cow floral or floral Highland cow. So actually, what it's telling me here is that, and actually, I see a lot of these listings. Having florals with a Highland cow design is actually a pretty good one. Look, floral Highland cows, 298 people search for it, and there's a competition of 5,191. It's got a decent keyword score of 60. People type in also Highland cow floral, which has a 297 volume with a 5,149, which is also another decent score. So sometimes when things repeat themselves, it's a good sign. It's a very good sign, because that means, and especially if the keyword score is pretty good. Okay. Now, other things you can see is Highland cow set. So people are looking for Highland cow sets. So when we look at floral, for example, Highland cow, I mean, this could be an example of a floral high work. And you can see instantly, like it's a floral. They've even typed in floral Highland cow on part of the title. Look, floral Highland cow. And so all of these Highland cows have flowers on them. 20 plus in a basket, boom, popular. See what I'm saying? So the art of actually getting seen, getting eyes on your listing, is making sure that you're finding within your niche what you need to do. So if you are working on Highland cows, right, then you are searching for things that people are looking for. And so you can see that this floral one is definitely something that people would do. It may be a case of people might want to do Christmas. You want to type in maybe Christmas Highland cows, see if that's a good keyword score, right? You might want to see something, another thing. You might be Highland cow. Look at this one. There's a baby Highland cow in a bucket, right? Or in a basket. Let's just test that one out, right? And then let's just see how that works. And that's because that's from, also you can do that reverse engineering where you're looking at something, and I think that's a very good way of doing it. When you're looking at one of your niches, your designs, and seeing what's the design, what does it have? So like I said, look at this one. It's got like a Christmas Highland cow. But coming back to this one, so my eyes were drawn onto this one, right? If I just show you very quickly, and it had this baby Highland cow in a bucket. So what you have to ask yourself is, why would somebody design something like this? So what you do is you go back to keyword score and you try and verify and see if this would be something that people search for. So baby Highland cow, a bucket. I'm just gonna try that. Just see what kind of, if it does give me any kind of results, right? There you go. There you go. Boom! I hit the jackpot, baby. No, I'm joking. No, but this is what I'm saying. Look, it's got a very good keyword score of 70. Now remember, sometimes you get low search volumes. You might get 30, 50, 100 low search volumes. However, look, the art is this. The art in getting seen is the competition is low. So there's 465 listings that technically have somewhere where it's a baby Highland cow in a bucket, right? And you are, let's say, and 32 people are searching for it. You have a very good chance of being seen on that kind of low competition, even low volume kind of search term than something that is way, way bigger, right? And this is the art of this. You need to find those listings where it's a low search volume, but low competition, and then do a bundle on it possibly. So what I possibly would do is, I know that bundles are very popular, sets or bundles, especially for Highland cows. So what I would probably do is I'll probably do a bundle of baby Highland cow sitting in a bucket, different designs, different styles, and I'll do a bundle of that, right? And I can tell you that would get seen. And this is the skill. This is the art of sub-niching. Let me just put basket. Let me just click basket, baby Highland cow basket. Let's see what that does, because I'm just trying to sort of try a different angle. That is a better keyword score. However, the search volume is less. So it's saying that there are less than 20 searches. It may be 18. It may be 10 only people in a month looking for it. And the competition is 82, which is very low. So it's got a very good keyword score. And this is what I'm trying to say. So, you know, even if it's, say, 15 people looking, right, and it's got a low competition, you might actually get sales of this. So what you're doing is, in your listings, you go for some low volume ones, obviously low competition, maybe some with more higher volume, 500 searches, but also the competition is low. you mix it up with your listings, guys, but the main thing is you want to have a decent keyword score. And this is why I say like use EverBee, because at least it gives you that insight. Okay. And then what I would do is I would kind of go further. So like I would start going a little bit further and do a bit more research, right? So I would go back to my, go back down to these other ideas that I might find. So like I said, you get hints along the way, right? So you go down and you just get your hints, keep going down. And like I said, you will get tips all the time along the way. Highland Cow PNG designs. Okay, let me go to page 3 very quickly. Let's see what we're at. Okay, so there's a lot to do with baby shower Highland cows. People love those. Cow, let me see this one. What's this? Highland Cow Tumblr designs. Okay, so people like the Highland Cow Tumblr designs. Okay, so look, it's telling you, you're getting all the information. Clip art Highland Cow, personalized Highland Cow. So personalization is fantastic, guys. You need to get into that custom personalization selling. I'm going to do a video on it. But personalizing this, look at this. Highland Cow in a bathtub. Highland Cow in a bathtub. I never thought about that one. So Highland Cow in a bathtub has amazing high. Wow. Highland Cow. So it's not baby, but let's just go to Highland Cow in a bathtub. Highland Cow bathtub, right? Bathtub. So this is actually very, very good. This is a good one. Just found a nugget right here. So there's 166 people searching for a month Highland Cows in a bathtub. It's got an amazing keyword score, and it's got a competition of 545. This is a golden nugget right here. So what I would definitely do is, now I want to just see what the competition look like, right? So what I'll do is I'll go back to Etsy. I'll go to type that in, paste that, boom. Let's see what that's looking. All right. So I believe it was Highland Cow bathtub, right? Baby, okay, second. There's one there in a bathtub, right? This is in a bucket. That's not a bathtub. So I get it. There's not many of these. So actually, there's a few wall art ones, right? There's a few wall art bathtubs, but you know what? I might actually do a clip art on it just to do a bundle of these, because this looks like it could be a good niche to get into. It's very good. So it's a good little tip. So Highland Cow in a bathtub. People like this. It's searched for. So actually, this could be a nice one to do, maybe like a bundle of these. I could do like a bundle of maybe 100 little designs in a bathtub. So like you can imagine, like let's say this one's it's a bundle of 20. I might do a little bit more, because obviously as a new seller you want to do a little bit more, and then I might have a few bathtub designs, right? Baby Highland Cows possibly, or just Highland Cows, right? And that's what you do, guys. This is what you do. It's a science-based thing. Think about what niche you're in. Come to EverBee, free access in the video in the description. Type in what it is, and then what you do is you go to filter. I would probably do keyword score 50 minimum to 1,000, and then as you go down the list, you will find keywords that people are searching for. Like I said, Highland Cow bathtub is a keyword that 166 people are searching per month, and only a competition of 545 of these. And I can believe that a lot of these may be also to do with maybe wall arts, things like that. But think about what niche you're in. It might be a Tumblr wrap. You might be doing a Tumblr wrap in a Highland Cow bathtub style. You might be doing clip art, a bundle of 100 clip arts. Whatever, if you like, niche digital product style you're in, you could adapt this design, because this is what people are looking for. They are searching for it. So you need to make sure that you cater for what they search for, that has low competition and a decent volume. Now, even this volume is fine. This volume is fine. If you imagine you've got lots of these listings with low search volume, but yet you're seen on page 1. If you're seen on page 1, you're going to get sales, right? Because the whole thing about this is you want to get as high up as possible, because when people search, they're looking at, they'll look at page 1, 2, 3. A lot of them don't go beyond that. They're going to see what they like. And if they like it on page 1 right at the beginning, people don't have patience. People don't have that patience. So the quicker you can get onto page 1, even if it's a low volume thing, the better. And this is the art of niching down, guys. This is just a very quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. I shall see you on the next video. Take care.